So in this video, I will show you how to create an opt-in for a blog post using SiteEngine. So you can actually have your visitors subscribe to your email list, and then you can, for example, send them a welcome sequence. That's what we will see inside the video. And then of course you can use this email to send them more emails, offers, or whatever you wish. So here's the situation. I already have a blog post created, and I already of course have one site fully set up. And what I will do now is simply go ahead and create a sign-up bot. So I will show you that a simple sequence. So I have a welcome sequence of email, and I will show you that just one email inside it that just say welcome, that will be sent after 10 minutes. It's a bit long, but there is this already defined. So let's go back to content post, and as you can see, I will show you the post that we already created. So it's like a basic post inside SiteEngine. As you can see, there is no way to enter the email here. So that's what we'll do now. So I will go to sign up boxes. I will delete the existing one, and I will just create a new sign up bots here. So I will click on create sign up box. I will go in there, and the first thing it asks me is to which sequence I want to link this bot. So basically I can say, okay, whenever somebody sign up, I want this person to receive this sequence here. The content, I won't do something very fancy here. I will just actually take some, like for example, this text here. I will just paste that in that. So the bot's content is basically what the visitors will see when they actually visit your post, right? The pop-up content is what they will see when they click on the button, and the pop-up will appear so that they can enter the email. So my own research and also other people research show that this way to opt in really boosts the results up to like 30% in my case if you have this two-step. So this is by default in SiteEngine. You have this two-step. First they click on a button, and then they can enter the email. So I will have this. You can put some tag as well here. I don't have any here, so it doesn't show anything. And you can also change the title, but we will keep it by default here. So now I'll just click on submit, and now my sign-up bot is basically updated. So what I need to do now is go again inside my blog post and say, okay, I want this blog post to get this sign-up bot that I just created. And for that, I will just set the sign-up bots, and I will save the changes and render the post again. And now we can again look at the post, and it should be this nice sign-up bots over there. So it really works as we want. We have this text here, and when you click on get started, there is this text that appear. This we could of course replace, but here we just took it by default, and you can now enter your email. So I will actually try it, enter my own email, and we'll see if it actually gets added into SiteEngine. So I will add my email, and I will just click on this button to actually subscribe to this email list. So now, as you can see, we were like redirected to a thank you page that I also created earlier. So it's just say whatever message that you want. So right here, thank you, your file on the way. And basically what I will show you now is that, well, our subscriber has actually been recorded in the system, right? So this is actually in the audience tab of SiteEngine, and you will find it in audience. And as you can see, there is myself. So let's just click to have some information. So that's basically my history here. So it showed that I actually subscribed, and then I actually visited the thank you page. And you can see that for now, I didn't open an email, I didn't click on an email, I didn't buy any products. That's just my sign-in date here, my email, and also my current sequence, right? So this welcome sequence. And of course, all the history of whatever I do will be just written here. So this was how to create an opt-in bot for your blog post so you can actually add people to your email list. And we also saw how to actually get the details of people that are subscribing to your email list. And of course, again, this is all integrated within SiteEngine, so you don't need to actually set up the integration between your blog and the email system. It's all working out of the box.